Hello, my wonderful people. This is Prime Update. Please, if you're South African and you're looking for a job in this 2026, this video is for you. Do not miss it. Like this video, also share it to get to your brothers. Or you think that the job you are currently in, you are not happy with, you are not, it's not paying you enough, and you need a good paying job. I want you to watch this video from beginning to the end. This video, you're gonna get something, and I want you to apply it, and I pray that it's going to work out for you. Just watch from beginning to the end.
Awesome news for Cape Town. 69,000 jobs created in the last quarter of 25 and 113,000 new jobs created in our city in Cape Town through the 2025 year. That is awesome news. For the first time, our unemployment has dropped into the teens, now at 19%. That is so lekker to see unemployment in Cape Town into the teens at last. And now Cape Town employment at a record level, nearly just shy of 1.9 million people working in our city. We are so proud of these numbers. This is what happens when a government is making the right investments, making an attractive place to do business, to invest, bring your businesses and create jobs here. Unfortunately, we're seeing in other cities in South Africa, in Joburg and Tshwane, that jobs are unfortunately being lost. But that is because those governments are not making the right investments and doing the things that
Credit Pros is back. Last year they had a lot of people from our community. I'm hoping they do the same this year. So they pay 11,500 rands per month. Guys, the exchange rate. But anyway, it's 11,500, which is $4 an hour. So you work 40 hours a week. You don't work over the weekends, well, unless you have to, but you generally don't. And it generally is a customer service job. So customer service in the financial industries, US hours. To apply for this job, the link will be there down below in the comment section. It will be there. If you can't find it, please click on the link on my TikTok bio to take you to everything that I post. This job is under customer service jobs or under remote work from home jobs. Guys, we do have ads on my site. I also gotta be paid. So don't click on any ads. Click on the big orange button. It will be at the bottom. It will show you, to take you to the page you need to apply. You don't pay for anything. It's free to apply for a job. So guys, the customer service, work from home, US hours, and they do check equipment because they're kind of serious about that. So make sure you check the requirements and make a plan when you want to apply. I'm trying to think of anything interesting. Nothing else. You also get 1 month paid training. So you do get training. Good luck.
Na website best yokufuna umsebenzi from all over the world, and lana kuposta ama companies amakhulu, and kule website angeke uze uthole umsebenzi opostwe abantu abafuna ukuqola imali lutho. Yonke into epostwa la iqondile. Wenze sure ukuthi le video uyayisave. Ngizokutshela ukuthi kanjani. Lalela ungilalelisise kahle. Ngizokutshela igama le website ekugcineni. Ama companies aposta lana, ama companies amakhulu afana no Aramco, le inkampani enkulu yama Arab lena. Bayayazi abantu abaku construction na kwi oil and gas industry. Buka ngikubonisa imisebenzi ekhona la.
Hey guys, if you're looking for remote work, here are places that you should be applying to. Now, after years of working in international recruitment, the thing that I realized is that people actually don't even know where to apply for these jobs. And I'm talking about reliable, trustworthy places that have somewhat job security. Please make sure that you watch my last video, because I realize a lot of the times people are like shooting in the dark, hoping for luck to land a job. We need to work smart and we need to work strategically. Now, in no specific order, somewhere.com, activatetalent.com, scalearmy.com, and jobduck.com. Those are just a few, but let me tell you about what you guys should be doing. Luck game, guys. You're really competing with people that have experience, proficiency, and you need to kind of stand out from the crowd. And if you're applying for a job that you're already not suited to do, number two, guys, I'm going to need for you guys to put in the effort. And that's how you're going to stand out from the crowd. Once you've applied for a specific job or role, go to LinkedIn, go to the company's profile, find the people that are working for that company in the specific department where they have some pull. So if they're a recruiter, for example, send them direct messages on LinkedIn and tell them that you've applied for this specific role and the reason why you think that you would be a great fit. And once you've done that, find email addresses and email people directly. You have no idea how many times I've seen people get hired because of tenacity and effort. But before even all of that, I need for you guys to go inside the link inside of my bio. Under TJ's Remote Careers, CVs and Applications, you will see a form where you can submit your own CV and I'll put it inside of my pool. Because I'm exposed to people hiring every day, you never know when I actually might need you. But before that, there is a link inside of the form, and that is for a resume course. I need for you guys to know how to build your resumes. That was me from the day. I said a lot today. I'll see you soon with the next role I have available. And don't forget to like, bookmark, and repost. You never know who might be needing of this opportunity. Just a quick, easy 3 buttons. Ba, ba, ba. Have yourself
I am not a recruiter of Joblex, right? I'm not even part of the recruiting. Please. I am not a Joblex recruiter, but Joblex is recruiting for numerous roles. And I could help give you insights on what each role entails, right? There are also trainee roles, so just check this. You should see this, right? And yeah, like I said, I'm not a recruiter. I'm not even part of the leadership or management team. I cannot make decisions for them. I cannot even influence any decisions. So don't ask me to help you anything. Just look at this, and if your CV fits into any of these roles, please apply. This smooth process. I applied for Joblex through LinkedIn. I applied through LinkedIn, I got called for my interview, and I got into Joblex.
You want to know the highest paying tech jobs to chase in 2026? Stay until the end. Number 1 will surprise you. At number 5, cybersecurity. Every company is going online. Banks, shops, apps, and even government services. And the more they move online, the more they need people who can actually protect their systems. That's why cybersecurity is exploding in South Africa right now. Salaries range from 400,000 to 900,000, depending on where you work and how senior you are. Number 4, data engineers and data scientists. Imagine every company in SA is drowning in data. Customer data, sales data, app data, but having no clue what to do with it. These people basically clean it, organize it, and help companies make smarter decisions. And no, they're not the reason why your mobile data finishes after watching one TikTok. And the typical pay is between 500,000 and 900,000. And at number 3, we have senior DevOps and platform engineers. Think of them as people who keep the entire tech machine running. At a company like Apple or Google, these are the people making sure updates roll out smoothly, apps don't crash, and millions of users can log in without the system exploding. In South Africa, they can earn around 400,000 to 850,000 plus. At number 2, we have architects and cloud engineers. Since everyone is moving off of physical servers into AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, companies need experts who can design and manage all that. Senior cloud people can easily make 700,000 to over 1 million rands. And at number 1, the one most people expect but still don't realize how big it is, AI and machine learning engineers. With AI booming worldwide, South African companies are paying huge salaries from 800,000 to 1.1 million rands, and some roles go even higher. And yes, before you ask, an average person can reach this level. You don't need to be a math genius. You just need to be on the right roadmap, the right courses, and time. If you want a 30-day starter plan and exactly where to get certified for any of these careers, comment tech below and I'll DM you a free roadmap with courses, certificates, and beginner project ideas.
This is a life-changing opportunity, trust me. Guys, this is a life-changing opportunity. Go to DPSA Circular 3 is out. Department of Employment and Labor across Gauteng is looking for 146 people that they are going to pay them 269,499. No experience, grade 12 is the one that is needed. You can see the email there, and then you make sure that you use Z83 when you're applying. So the best thing you can do, make sure that you go to the DPSA and have a circular, so that you can also see the address in case you want to do hand delivery. So this one, they are also accepting hand delivery. Guys, don't sit down with your matric certificate. It can open ways for you.
Okay, so the top growing jobs in South Africa, and also according to the World Economic Forum, where global leaders meet and discuss challenges, Number 5 would be logistics cybersecurity. And obviously cybersecurity is hugely in demand because of AI and because of the internet. Number 4 would be business and finance management, accountants, payroll, business managers, etc. 3, healthcare. Healthcare will always be in demand, whether it's nurses, doctors, or caregivers. Number 2, engineers, whether it's civil, mechanical, electricians, plumbers, you will always be in demand. And number 1 would obviously be information technology and data. Data is used everywhere. Whether you go to Woolies and you use your rewards card, that is collecting data on what you buy. So AI, engineers, data scientists, IT support, etc.